to get some food.
Hi friends, we are going to
Supermarket. Come.
which one? Show.
This hot spicy flaming.
Now what we have to?
We have took this hot flaming spicy Maggi.
So yummy, no?
Yes, but it's so spicy.
So spicy.
Yes.
How you know?
One time I tasted.
Yes.
Yes.
When?
When I was 5 years old.
Okay. I don't know how it's.
It will be so spicy.
Now let's go and cook and let's taste.
Yes.
After going home, we will cook this and
Yes.
let's taste it.
Yes. This is his first time tasting it.
Yes.
This is my second time.
Your second time?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we are
Wait
going-
for the result.
Yes. Now we are going to my home. I'll show you my home. Maggi is like so hot and spicy. But still I'll eat.
It is too spicy. He is drinking continuously water. But he is telling it is not spicy.
It's good. It's yummy, but it's spicy.
It is too spicy, na? Give to me.
Come.
He is drinking water continuously. He is almost finished. He is drinking water. Full spicy.
Me.
Finally, finished. How it is?
It's so good.
So
And
good.
It's so spicy.
So spicy, na?
Yes.
Only
See,
drinking
you can
water.
see.